Welcome back! Beating the summer heat is easy with this incredibly refreshing watermelon gazpacho. You'll need 4 heaping cups of cubed seedless watermelon, a cucumber, tomatoes, red bell pepper, and green onions. Plus a garlic clove, a small handful of basil, red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. First, dice your cucumber, tomatoes, pepper, and green onions, and set exactly half of them aside for later. Place the remaining half of your veggies into a blender, along with all that juicy cubed watermelon. Add your garlic, basil, vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a jalapeño if you like a little kick. Blend everything together until it is completely smooth. Taste and adjust the seasonings if you need to. Pour that gorgeous, vibrant mixture into a large bowl. Now, stir in those reserved chopped vegetables. This gives our gazpacho a perfect, crunchy texture. Pop it in the fridge to chill for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even overnight so the flavors marry. Serve it nice and cold, finished with a generous drizzle of olive oil on top. Would you try this sweet and savory summer soup? Let me know in the comments below, and save this video for a hot day.